This is the snow here in Chicago. Look at all this. Yeah, we just had a major snowstorm. One of my neighbors told me if it keeps snowing by 5, that they would have the schools closed because of all the snow. I'm gonna measure this. We've picked up from what I can see about 4 inches, maybe. Yeah, we picked up a little more than 4 inches. Let's see how much there is when I do that. Right, I'm doing it on the wrong side. Let's see if I can read it. We picked up about 4 inches from what my ruler says. Yeah, that's what my ruler says. But really, look at all this snow out here. This is a lot of snow. So much. Well, I'll be back with more of this tomorrow morning. And yeah, I'll see you all then. 'Cause this snow is really blowing in my face out here. Mm.